So one of the biggest pains of being a home inspector is managing your narrative library. I'm going to go into my library and I'm going to just show you my categories. So Scribeware has a cool way of storing all of your narratives as categories, and then you can point, this would be 135 entries I have for the attic. I've got 290 bathroom entries. I've got 423 exterior entries, 338 balcony, porch, and deck entries. So pretty neat the way you can organize that, and you can point these folders into any template and any section of any template. So love that organization. But at the end of the day, that's just too many narratives, and it just drives you crazy trying to manage all of that. So I still use a lot of these. I've built this library over a couple decades practically, but I wanted to show you how in recent years I'm really getting rid of a ton of narratives. So I'm going to show you the mobile app and what I do, and then we'll kind of unpack that on the desktop.
Now I want to show you on the mobile just using some voice to text, and one of my favorite features, the photo captions to bullets. So this is a really great way to reduce the number of comments you need in a report. So in this case, I'm just going to show a couple door comments, but those are classic. You go into a house, you might have 6 or 7 little door tune-up comments, and I'll show you how you can easily just gang them all into one comment here. So I'm going to open up a camera here, take a picture, and I'm just going to caption it. The door hardware is missing to the hall bathroom toilet closet door. So done with that. Now we'll come over here and get a picture of this. The strike plate is missing to the hall bathroom door on the jam side, period. It's pretty classic that it doesn't get everything spelled just right, so sometimes you have to make some tweaks. So, okay, so now I've added a few comments. I'm gonna go to my interior section, and that's how I like to have my doors all in the interior. I'm gonna open it up. These were both solid and hollow doors here, and then door repairs needed. See under most common. So I'm gonna select that and open it up. So this is what we call a parent comment. This just saying basically, hey, doors are repaired, need repair, fix them. So just to the right of the camera icon, click on that, and here are those 2 comments. So I'm going to select them, and now those 2 pictures with the photo captions are in this parent comment. Now if you read this, it says door repairs needed. Examples of observations noted during inspection include. So I'm going to put my cursor there and hit this little button with the mountains on it, and now I've got those 2 comments there. So on desktop I'll show you what this looks like when we're done, but I've really got a nice little comment here that is both vague and specific. I mean, I've got like, hey, in general you need somebody to fix the doors. Here's what I noticed. The beautiful thing about this technique is as soon as it helps your workflow. Like when you go out on an inspection, you might find a couple door repairs, but you don't know how many you're going to find. And how a lot of inspectors handle this is they keep writing repair items. And so your report might have 10 different door repair items. This is a way that you can gunny sack them all into one comment. And it's like, hey, here's all the door repairs I found. So this has really helped me reduce the number of comments I use. For the most part, this is almost the only door repair comment I use. I think I have separate ones for lost seals, but by and large, let's say we wanted to add something here. So door stoppers are missing to the hall bathroom doors. So now we've just added that. So what you would want to do if you want to keep adding them, I usually don't hit that button until I'm done with my job. But what I do is that you can think of these parent comments as little placeholders. They're sort of photo buckets, and you can keep dumping all your pictures into them, right? And then when you're done with the whole job, you're going to come up here and hit that and now I've got the third one in there. So I wouldn't have hit that button until I was done with the inspection, but I might have chosen this interior repair comment. That's just one comment. Now you get this bucket where you, as I keep doing the inspection, I can keep adding pictures to it. And then what you can also do is flag the comment here. And that way it'll remind you to go back and hit the little button to make all the little bullets. Or when you're reviewing the report before you send it out, you'd read it and see. But that flagged item is actually going to add one more item to this needs attention up here. So as I go through things, when I'm almost done, I would actually be able to see that. So I hope that makes sense. That's kind of showing photo captions to bullets. It's showing our flagging feature, and it's showing a really powerful technique for just reducing the number of comments you need, making a better report, and helping you move faster on site.
All right, so I pulled the comment up here on the desktop. So this is kind of what it looks like on the desktop. If you found a whole ton of things, you could switch it to a major concern or recommended maintenance item or an improvement item. So you can kind of change the weight of it if you like. And let's go ahead and we'll look at it on the this is what it would look like in a finished report. You can obviously blow up the pictures nice and big. So anyway, really great technique. And how cool is it that you could have just one door repair comment, and on mobile you end up moving super quickly because all you need to do is choose one comment and take pictures and caption them. And so this is a technique I use for interior doors, windows, exterior siding, roofing, and electrical. Fabulous technique for multiple defects with the same system. Thanks for watching.